Good evening, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the additional of the Friday edition, Friday, January the 10th, 2025. We have here 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 star Sudoku. We have 2 jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch, they call it Cyberblock. In Japanese, Suguru. The last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles, not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve this evening. Not all. Why not? Well, it's too much for me. Time consuming. And I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, and besides, I've already solved 3 regular puzzles in the afternoon. So yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. Okay. The 3 star Sudoku number 9878. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has a lot, 27 printed digits. Usually the 3 stars has 25. This one has 27, 2 digits more. Should be a 1 star. 1 star puzzle need to be faster than 15 minutes. Well, the publisher has indicated it's this with 3 stars for 3 stars puzzle, 20 to 30 minutes. Question is this a 3 stars or 1 star puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me see which number can I pick. 3 here. 9 there. Yeah. Yeah. 8. Need a 9 there. 5 here. Come on. This is taking too long. Taking too long. 9 there. Okay. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have 3 in the last row. No 3 in these 3 boxes. We have 3 in this column. No 3 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3. Should be there. 3. Well, in this row, we need a 3. We have 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this big square, so no 3 in these 3 boxes. So the 3 could be here, could be there in the third row. Here or there, we see another 3 in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have an 8 in this column. No 8 in these 3 boxes. We have an 8 in the second row. No 8 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left with 8 in this big square. Should be there. In the last column, we have 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers in the last column is a number 9. We have a 9 in this big square. So no 9 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 in this last column. Should be there. So 2 numbers left in the last column for numbers. 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 1 and 4, 1 and a 4. We have a 1 in this row. No 1 there. 1 should be here. The 4 goes there. So 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 2. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay, need a 5 here. Need a 2. Okay. Then need a 4 there. Need a 9 here also. Here also 9. 8, and then yeah. 3. Come on. 3. No. Yeah, we have 3 in this row, 3 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places level 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in that column. So the column 3 in the middle column, the only 2 places level 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in the last row, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 9 in the third row, 9 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place level 9 should be there. 9 here, need a 9 there. Need a 2 there. Need a 5 here. Need a 1 here. Oh, 1 in this row. Oh wait, we have a pair in this big square. 1 and a 9 in the last row. 1 and a 9 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 1 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 9, 1 and 9. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 9 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. Need a 4 here, and I need a... yeah. Need a 5 here. Need a 5 there. Nine in this row, 9 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 1 1 1 1 1. Yeah, in this big square we need a 1. We have a 1 in this third row, no 1 there. So the 1 could be here, could be there. 1 in the third row, 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places left, 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left, 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 1, okay. In the middle row, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this big square, so no 7 in these 3 boxes. So the 7 in the middle row could be here or there. Here or there, we see another 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7. Should be there. Then the 4 here. How about the 5? 4. 4. Yeah. 3 in the first row, 3 in the third row, so the row between the second row. The only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in the first column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 3. Need a 1 here, okay. And now. Need an 8 here. Need an 8 here. 8. Yeah. I need an 8 here. Need a 4. 8, 4. Need a 2. 2, 4. And a 1. Come on. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in the first row, no 4 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for 4 in this big square. Should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in the first column, so no 4 there. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for 4 in this big square. Should be there. 4 in the third column, 4 in the first column, so the column 3 in the second column. The only 2 places left for the 4 should be here on there. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there, 4 should be here. And we have a pair in this big square. 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 4. We have 1 and 4 in this row, so no 1 and 4 in this box. We have 1 and 4 in the middle row, so no 1 and 4 in that box. So 2 boxes are left in this big square for the 1 and the 4. Goes in these 2 boxes. as a pair, 1 and 4, 1 and 4. We have 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 1 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers, the 1, 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes early with 1. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here. So 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5, the 6, 5, the 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 2 and a 5, we have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Do we have all the ones? And all the ones are used. I can't see. Digit number 2, number 1. How about these 3 missing numbers in this row? For the numbers, the 1, 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 2, 5, 6, 2, 5, 6. And look, we have 2 and a 5 in this column, no 2 and a 5 in this box. 2 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. So 1 digit left in the middle row for number 2, 5, 6. For the 6, yeah. 1 digit left in this big square for the number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing here. 8 in this column, third column, 8 in the second column, so the first column, the only place left with 8 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for the numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, 7 is missing, 6 and 7, 6 and 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 6 goes there. 7 in the third column, 7 in the second column, so the first column, only place left with 7 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers. 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, 2 and 6, 2 and 6. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be in, a 6 goes there. So 1 is left in this row. For number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 7 and 5, 7 and 5. We have 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 7 goes and there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next. The only place left with 5 should be there. And 1 box left now in this row for the number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 8 in this column, 8 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only place left with 8 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and the 6, 2 and the 6. Cannot fill this yet. Wow. Yeah, 2 missing numbers in the second row for numbers. The 1, 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 2 and 6, 2 and 6. Cannot fill this yet. But we have a pair here, 2 and a 6. That means that this box can't be 2 anymore. We have a 2 in one of those 2 boxes, and a 6 also. So this box should be a 4. That box should be a 2. 2 or a 6, we have a 2 now in this column. So no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 6 goes there. 2 or 6, we have a 2 here. So this box should be a 6. 2 or 6, we have a 6 now. So this box should be a 2. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, 7 is missing. 6 and 7, 6 and 7. We have 7 in the middle column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, 6 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and 7, 4 and 7. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 7 goes there, 13 minutes. Well, again, this is a puzzle. Not a 3, not a 2, not a 1. Should be a 0 star, so I'm faster than 13 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time, and I like this one, so I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so I can make it also myself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with other puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.